Hello, let's draw a seven-sided regular star polygon. As you can see here, we have the 7 vertices of a regular heptagon, which is a convex polygon. When drawing convex polygons, you have to join adjacent vertices. But when drawing star polygons, also known as concave polygons, we have to join non-adjacent vertices. So the first step is we are going to draw a regular heptagon. There are 2 methods to draw a regular heptagon. One method is by knowing the length of one side. Click this link and it will give you a full description on how to draw it. And the second method is drawing a heptagon inscribed in a given circle. Click this link and it will give you a full description on how to draw it also. Once we have obtained these 7 vertices, we will continue to step 2, which is to draw our order 3 star heptagon, skipping 2 vertices at a time. So as you can see here, we join vertex A to vertex D, skipping vertices B and C. Next, we join vertex D to G, skipping vertices F and E. Now we join vertex G to C, skipping vertices A and B. We continue by joining vertex C to F, skipping vertices D and E. Now we join vertex F to B, again skipping vertices G and A. And now we join vertex B to E, skipping vertices C and D. And finally, to complete our order 3 star heptagon, we join vertex E to A, skipping vertices F and G. So by pressing the following link, it shows you how to draw regular star shaped polygons with any number of sides, and it also explains their mathematical theory. I hope you liked the video. Please press like and subscribe to our YouTube channel. Thank you. Until the next time.